O rakam sangma o menteri ketenat puli puthi jongka sorkar Jylla ula shim ya Bynta kumukongsan haka Sngi penkut ya ka international conference ar paulai kabala deplong menta lalai Sngi lenter hari Bhoi college nongpo Bhoi district kata nadu ka arpo pra tarik unailur hadu ka laipo tarik unailur ar paulai bala penyai daga Department of Sociology, Department of Philosophy, bat ka IQAC Bhoi College, haringkat ke jinge trelang bat ka Office of International Conference Nehu. Kapang jong katay ka conference kalong, Urban Imaginaries, Indigenous Culture and Social Policies in the Context of Meghalaya and Northeast India. Kaba ka jing tumu jong katay ka conference kalong, banyathir yatay sani bha bat bantim, ne ban hikai ki samla puli ne ki college bapher haka Jylla ba kumno ban kenti ka roy ka par haki babon ki liang ban kenti ka puli ka puthi haka Jylla ban penklain ban penne pensa ka culture ka riti ka dustur ban tip kelumru ki tenrai jong ka ri haki rukom jai ban re bapher ba ki wei ki ba kum ka Jylla ka dangdon kam ban kiu. La sakilang hakate ka Sngi penkut ya ka conference daga jingedon lang uba Meral Bonds im MLA ka nongpo constituency kumusumbut kongsan uba hima shangpliang MLA barim ka Mausenram constituency uba Bajop Pungrum MDC ka Rambrai Jerngam u Professor B Panda ICSSR u EC Beni principal ka Bhoi college kinong Bynta baro ki baladon nadu ka Sngi baningkong kinong hikai ka college bat kiwei. Ladonru kilaingut ki keynote speaker lani kinong ai jingkren kibala ai ke jing hikai bat phliu jingmut hakitei ki lai Sngi lenter kiba kentup yo Professor Wesley Ray Bisham na Jacksonville University Atlanta USA, Dr. Adelaida Caballero na Uppsala University Sweden, baru Professor Pia Bun Sumet Tikun na Chiang Mai University Thailand.
Ye ki jagandri uper ye ki kunhunyam uper ye ki penyaso ye ki political party uper andre ni de gonong kawe na ka Bynta ke Jingmyntoi jong kari bat Jylla. This kind of conference is very important not only to enlighten the delegates, the guest lecturer that we have here, we know about the identity, about the culture of our state, where different topic has been discussed here. It is a very comprehensive conference, I must say, that it has inclusive of all the topic, relates to all the background identity that we have. Despite of all this, we are moving towards the right direction, towards urbanization, toward how the economy has to be built up within our state, within our country. Even though Meghalaya, we are not a rich resources state, we are still depending on many financial assistance from outside the state, from the central government, even though the constitution has provided the tax devolution that we have, entitlement, but still, we need more focus. You have discussed about the potential of tourism that we have in different topics that you have discussed, different economic package that has to be, the avenues for the unemployment, to address unemployment within our state, how to address? Just recently, the issue of job preservation policy is one of the hot topics in our state. Somebody have said that if reservation policy it will be revived, it's like each and everyone in every household we will get a government job. That is wrong. No? For example, if we address about unemployment in our district, Bhoi, annually, just from Bhoi College, how many graduates we have just from Bhoi College. Let's not talk about Balawan College, UCC is there, Eastern Bhoi College is there. Just from here, not less than 200-300. In a 5-year span, not less than 1,500. In the span of 5 years, if I can see within the district, maximum it will be 100 to 150, not even 10%. Where will be the rest? That is the question. So it is up to each and every one of us to position ourselves to address this issue. Young students who are here, carry this message that this is the time that we have to move along. There's a saying, if you cannot fight with your enemy, you make friendship with him. We have to go with the flow. But we should not compromise. We should not compromise on the issue which really hamper the identity, the culture of our state.
Your responsibility to make it shine this great land that God has blessed to each one of us. Therefore, our great leaders of the past, and above all, the Almighty has blessed this beautiful land to us, has been handed over to us. Our great leaders of the past had brought us to this stature. But till today, and from today till tomorrow and day after, it will be ours, it will be your responsibility to carry forward and make this land shine. I believe this international conference being hosted here in Bhoi College, Nongpo, I believe it has been really blessed to each one of us and to many students particularly. And friends, we always talk about many things, but today, any development, any new ideas is come behind with the natural development happenings. We don't design, the scientists don't design device before natural it happens. Or when it happens, the scientists come into picture to design what is the way forward. What is the device to adopt this shape? So today, it's a challenge. I think in the last 2-3 years, and more from this year, the entire Shillong city saw, we have seen lots of changes. New electronics shop came in, which used to sell all the fans, ceiling fans, table fans, and the light jacket, and the t-shirt, and all things on it. And we hardly see the new jacket, the warm jacket. Because the climate of Shillong city, our Meghalaya has been really has been changed. So today, great scientists of the 1000th century ago, if you look back, the theories of Sir Isaac Newton, the law of motion, I always talk about, because I'm from physics department, I always used to talk. The Newton third law of motion, nobody here to escape from this theory. Because every action has equal and opposite direction today. We have experienced the action of natural calamities. We have experienced the changes of climate scenario in the state and across the globe. And Shillongite and the Meghalayans and we everybody has experienced what the change happened in the last few years. Now, no device will be able to reverse the change. No scientist, no philosopher, no scholar will not be able to reverse the change now. But the scientists have to come in first today the scholar, the expert has to come today to design the device, to give other ideas how to adapt with the change, already changed climate of our city, of our state, of this world. Therefore, the problem, the crisis has burdened on us because of climate crisis. It's so heavy, and sometimes even the scientists confused today. So therefore, how much the burden has come on us?